Maxim 63. It is written in the Evangel, Injil, O son of Adam, if I give thee riches, thou wilt turn away from me with mundane cares. And if I make thee poor, thou wilt sit down with a sad heart. Then where wilt thou enjoy the sweetness of adoring me? And when wilt thou hasten to serve me? Now, Injil and Torah and other such terms in the Islamic vision, we're not referring to the scriptures of the Christians and the Jews, we're referring to the scriptures of the prophets, which they turn to in their originals. So not the other stuff with it, right? Sometimes thou art made haughty and careless by wealth. Sometimes art in distress from exhaustion and penury. If thy state be such in joy and distress, I know not when thou wilt turn to God from thyself.